Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Yes, chocolate covered Oreos on the menu today. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And if you're returning, thank you. Now, let's jump right into it. This is easy, so easy. These molds are available on Amazon. I did use white chocolate chips and the Toll House chocolate chips. And so that's why I didn't put up the ingredients. It's too easy. This is way too easy to do. Now, you can use any cookie you want. I am going to use golden Oreos and the birthday cake Oreos, which I'm going to show you right here. Now, as far as the chocolate, you can put 1 to 2 cups of the chocolate chips or less, depending on how many cookies you're going to make. So you're going to put them in the microwave. You're going to start off, depending on how many. So if you got like a cup and a half, you want to start off with like 2 minutes in the microwave. Watch your chocolate because it will burn. Do not let it burn. Now, once you get it out, stir it really, really well. Make sure it's smooth. If it's not, keep putting it back in there for increments of 30 seconds. And just keep stirring it until it's smooth. Now, in order to do these cookies, what you want to do here is you want to put some chocolate in the bottom of the mold. So, enough so that when you put the cookie down, you're going to give the cookie a little push. When you give the cookie a little push, the chocolate is going to come up around the sides of it. And then what you're going to do is make sure that the top of it is covered. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to push the cookie too far down into the chocolate, because if you do, then you'll be able to see an imprint of the cookie through the chocolate. So what you want is, you want this entire thing to be covered in chocolate, and when you bite into it, then you get your surprise, which is the cookie. But look how easy that is. See how I just put that in there, pushed it down in there, and we good to go. So check that out. All right, so as you can see, that measuring spoon, that's a half a tablespoon. So that's 1 tablespoon of chocolate in there right now, because I put 2 of those. So, all right, so this time I put 2. And push the cookie down in there a little bit. Don't break it. Don't break it. Handle it very, very carefully. All right, so now when I push it down in there, check that out. As I said, the chocolate comes up on the side, so it covers the sides for you. Then you put another like half tablespoon of chocolate, and then you swirl it around. So however you do these, you can swirl it around like that, and you can leave that with that little swirl on the top, because this can be the top of your cookie. If you don't want it to be, then you can smooth this out. And then when you take these out, flip it over, use the bottom of the mold, the cookie, use the bottom of that to be the top that you decorate. So now, see how easy this is? So I'm going to go on, fill it up the rest of the way, and then I'll be back. I decided to come right back with the white chocolate just to demonstrate that. This one you must be careful with, because this chocolate is, I don't want to say it's a little thinner than the milk chocolate, but if you push that cookie down too far, which I did do 1 of them, you will be able to see, especially if you use chocolate Oreos, you'll be able to see that dark cookie if you push it too far down in here. So this is the point where I'm telling you to be really careful with how you do this when you're putting this down in the mold. But it's pretty easy, so I did want to demonstrate the white chocolate as well. Same thing, but you just want to be really careful. So here I did use golden Oreo, but I did do with the chocolate Oreo too. So see, all right, so same thing, just push it down. When you push it down that real good, you're gonna see that chocolate come around there. And then what you want to do is do exactly what I said. You want to put another half tablespoon of the white chocolate on the top, and bam. So these are gonna go. How long this will set, it will depend. So if you put these in a refrigerator, you want to bring these to room temperature after they set, and you get them out of the refrigerator. Otherwise, it's going to be like chewing on a rock. You don't want to do that. So bring these to room temperature after they set, and trust me, they are perfect. They are so good. So good. So all right, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to get them out of the mold. All right, so now we're back about 45 minutes later after these have cooled off. And look at that. Just give it a really hard push from the bottom. They should come right out. All right, so now you see what happens when you push the Oreo down too far. Don't push your cookie down too far, because you see the chocolate ones, they don't look like that, but you have to be really careful with these white ones. Some little tubes of writing icing now. Work these tubes a little bit before you use it. I'm gonna work these tubes a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze some out. So I'm gonna use paper towel right here. I'm gonna squeeze some out so I can make sure I got the right color icing. All right, so we got a beautiful yellow right there. And a pretty ass blue. Man, believe me, it's cerulean too. That is beautiful. All right, so I just want to put something real cute. Just, you know what I'm saying? So just decorate to the way you like it or the way you know. All right, now that's my yellow, and we're gonna put blue on the white ones. So once again, make sure your blue is ready before you start writing with it. The blue didn't come out as good as the yellow one did. The yellow one came out really pretty. Okay, see? Yeah. Blue didn't work as good as the that yellow did. All right. We'll leave that one. We'll do a little thick on the end though, since that one thick like that. I hated that middle one. So y'all know what I did? Wiped it right off. Yep, it's white chocolate. I wiped it off. I didn't like it. So I just decided, hey, I'm gonna try to make it look a little better than it did look. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm telling you, in the kitchen when you make mistakes, try to fix it. Not that I made a mistake, I just didn't like the way that one looked. So check this out. I'm gonna put some blue and then check this out. I went and got some green to help me out. I got another color so I can try to make this one look better, because I only made 6 of them, so I want to use them, you know, for presentation purposes. So I want that one to look pretty. So that's why I'm saying sometimes you got to improvise when you're in the kitchen. You got to think on your feet. You just think quickly, like, hey, look, I'm gonna do it this way, I'm gonna do it that way. So that's what I did. But check it out. It wasn't all that much better, but it was much better. Hey, make sure you let this writing icing set if you're going to stack these on top of each other. So make sure you let that set, and we are good to go. I'm going to come back and show you how I packaged this. I put a little sanding sugar on the top of it, but I'm going to show you how I packaged it. We're back. We're back with our chocolate covered Oreos. All right, now what I want to do is I'm going to cut one open for you. That's what I want to do. So I'll let you see what it looked like. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, you can see the Oreo in there. Yeah, the chocolate all around it, baby. See, this one, this side crumbled all up because it's still cold. So you bring these to room temperature and eat them. It's still cold right now, so. Y'all know when something good, I have to laugh because this is so damn good. But I just have to laugh. All right, so now the deal with this is it's cold, it's falling apart. So, like I said a couple of seconds ago, you do want to bring this to room temperature before you eat them because they're going to taste much better and they're not going to fall apart if they're at room temperature. Right now, they're still cold while I'm tasting them, but I just like chocolate and I don't feel like waiting. Oreos and chocolate. You can't go wrong with that, but I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna blow the hell out your diet with these, but they so good. You better wait till your cheat day. You better wait till your cheat day, because I'm telling you, these like Jay's potato chips, you can't eat just one. Be patient. That cheat day coming, because I'm telling you, do it before then, you're going to blow the hell out your diet. I mean that. These are so good. Oh, they so delicious. TikTok strikes again. I saw it on TikTok. Strikes again. All right. They're too easy to make. Super easy. The molds I used are on Amazon, and the rest of everything else you can get in the grocery store, so you can get it off Snap. You can get it off Link. If you ain't using cash, you can get it off Link. Don't even worry about it. All right, so get the molds, get the ingredients, make this. Hey, they're so damn good. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Yes. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.